where right after he will be cremated, a burial will be taking place. He belongs to the Idiga community. I'm going to quickly cut across, even as we bid farewell to Puneet Rajkumar today. I'm going to cut across to Pratibha Raman, who's right outside joining us with fans. Of course, there are hordes of them who are wanting to get a glimpse, but they didn't get an entry. But they're outside just in solidarity here. Let me cut across. Pratibha, what do you have there? How are really fans remembering Puneet today?
Well, Nabila, like I told you, people have been walking for several kilometers despite this entire area being barricaded. And I have with me one fan who's wearing a Puneet Rajkumar t-shirt, of course. Several of them wanting to sing songs or even deliver dialogues of Puneet Rajkumar's, deliver dialogues from Puneet Rajkumar's movies. So, yav dialogue heltira?
Naika, madrabakandina our ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Okay, ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕ ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಅವರಂತ ಅಭಿಮಾನ, ಅವರಂತ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಅಂತ ರತ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿವತ್ತ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಪವರ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೈತಿ.
Definitely. So all he is trying to say is that he is a great fan of Puneet Rajkumar's dance moves, the kind of human being that he is, as well as his movies. Onde on the dialogue.
ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಡ ನೀ ಅಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದು ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಡಿಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾರು ಇದರಾಳಿ ಈವಿಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಸರಿಸೈಟಿ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ ಹುಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದ್.
Now Nabila, it is time for a song. So ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ರು?
ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ, ಕಂದು ಬೆಳಗಿ ತಂದು ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮನಗಳ ಎಂದು ಆರಾಧಿಸುವ ಲಾಭಿಸುವ ಜನತ್ನನು, ಆಡಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಬೀಳಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು, ಎಂದು ಸೋಲದು ಸೋತು ಬೆಲೆಯಬಾಗದು, ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ.
That's the kind of adulation that Puneet Rajkumar enjoys. I hope Rajkumar is listening to this. Nabila.
One second. Right. You have, we see visuals here coming in of the fraternity there, film fraternity, who are just part of this entire cremation process. Remember, they're all stepping out. In fact, just the state honors have just taken place. You have the entire film fraternity, including Siddaramaiah. You see former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also stepping out. They were all part of this cremation process. Of course, the family, it's a very intimate affair right now with the family present inside, and they're all now currently going to be conducting a puja right after which the cremation will take place. That's the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basuraj Bommai, who is right behind. You have Siddaramaiah in the front, Basuraj Bommai, and then you have DK Shivkumar. Remember, you have people cutting across party lines. There you have Yash, who is a film star, Kannada film star. You have several stars there who are making their way out, and they were all part of this puja that was taking place, and it's still on with the family, very intimate family members, intimate circle who is currently present there to carry out the final rites. Puneet Rajkumar had great camaraderie with a host of stars within the industry. Even though there was a lot of talk about rivalry or rival camps between Puneet Rajkumar, say Puneet, Sudeep, Yash, etc., when it came to actual the ground reality, Puneet Rajkumar exuberated so much affection. He was a man who really held his ground. I mean, we're so disappointed and gutted, heartbroken today to know that he left us so soon, because he had a thriving career. The man was really, really in the peak of his career at the moment. He had acted in 29 films. Almost 23 of them or 24 of them were blockbuster hits. Every film that Puneet Rajkumar releases, you have all single screen theatres and multiplexes, if I could say, packed. I'm going to cut across quickly to Nolan if he could give us an insight. Nolan, what do you see right there with people on? Yeah, Nolan, over to you, please.
Well, in fact, it looks like everything is done with, and we are actually waiting for most of the celebrities and the politicians to leave. Just now, Siddaramaiah and former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa have left, and we are expecting some more dignitaries. In fact, the CM is now actually leaving. Flanked by the Revenue Minister R. Ashok. They are right over here with senior police officials. The Commissioner as well as the BBMP Commissioner are present. It's almost over. It's just that they're trying to finish this as fast as possible so that the fans can actually go home. They wouldn't want any sort of chaos on the roads, and that is what they are doing. But Nabila, I just have to put this out. I just spoke to the commissioner just now, and he was telling us why they actually decided to get all this done early in the morning. The Chief Minister right over there, the Home Minister, Revenue Minister R. Ashok, all present over here, flanked by the BBMP Commissioner as well as the Bangalore City Police Commissioner and senior IPS officers. All of them are right over here. They will be leaving this the spot in another 15 odd minutes. The administration would really want the fans to get back to their homes as fast as possible so that there is absolutely no trouble on the roads. And that's one of the reasons why they decided that instead of last night, they would actually do this morning. And that's the reason why at around 4:45, his mortal remains left from the Kantigarawa Stadium, reached here by around 5:45, 5:50. And after 6 o'clock, they actually started the final rites with full state honors. In fact, it's almost towards the end as of now, where only the family members and close relatives are present over there. But senior leaders, and you can clearly see also from the sandalwood industry, actors are also present right where we are. So finally, after almost, this is the third day, Nabila, finally after everything, it is done. But people are still taking time to get used to what has actually happened, that sandalwood industry has lost someone who actually had so much potential, not just for the industry, but to the Kannada and Karnataka society.
Right, Nolan, well, we know this is the kind of influence that he wielded among all age groups. You had people across age groups who really wanted to have any kind of association that they could with Puneet Rajkumar. And it's shocking, the man who had such a fitness routine to have gone so early at the age of 46. He had a cardiac arrest. We know that life is so uncertain. There is no guarantee to life, and that's what we here asked today. What's the reason for such cases coming to light in the past? Even for that matter, Siddharth Shukla, very young age, at the age of 40, that he succumbed to a heart attack. You have Puneet Rajkumar, both of them fitness enthusiasts. I'd like to cut across to a small insight that into the reason to why you have young fitness enthusiasts succumbing at a point of time or too soon in their age. Let's take a listen.
One after another, two young actors lost their lives due to cardiac arrest. Death of actor Puneet Rajkumar and Siddharth Shukla. Both in their 40s have sent shockwaves across India. Both fitness enthusiasts having followed a strict workout regime. The power star Puneet Rajkumar was popular for fitness videos on social media titled Workout of the Day, from Superman burpees to push-ups and abs.
Staying at home, but you still look fit to me. What's your routine?
I'm trying to do a lot of things at home. I've never spent so many amount of days at home throughout the time, but it's nice. It's good fun in a way. I keep telling everybody that, you don't need a large space to work out. Of course, gym is a luxury, but even if not that, if you just have space of about 3x10 or 3x12, it's more than enough. You get to do a little bit of your cardio, little bit of your hand weights or whatever, push-ups and, handstand pull-ups or whatever, and just keep yourself fit, because building your immunity power at this point of time is very important, I feel.
Doctors have repeatedly cautioned that physical fitness is not the best representation of good health. So, what tests should you do to know if your body is functioning well?
A pre-cardiac checkup as a part of your routine checkup must be done every year as you hit 30. That is the only way to keep ourselves healthy.
Most doctors advise that even extreme exercise can cause heart attacks.
Exercise is good, we always encourage it, but excess is bad. Is bad in the sense that your heart muscle becomes so thick and your heart rate goes down that your propensity for developing problems increases. That is over exercise.
As fans mourn the death of their beloved Appu, as Puneeth was known, the debate has reignited. Is heart attack becoming increasingly frequent in India's younger population? Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, here you have the visuals of the cremation. This is exactly the spot where Puneeth Rajkumar will be cremated. These are the final rites, the puja that's currently underway. This is, like I said, an intimate affair. Of course, media there, full frenzy. This is the complete ceremony that's currently taking place, where the puja is happening. They've dug up the pit there for the cremation. This is where the body will be buried. And we see the kind of frenzy here. Apologies for the glitchy visuals, because this is the push and pull that we're currently facing, but have no choice. The visuals that we see here of the cremation, where you have Shiv Rajkumar right there, Shivarna, the brother of Puneeth Rajkumar, who's at the helm of affairs. You have the pit there that's being dug up to place the body right inside. It's of course very difficult for the media to cover this. It's a lot of push and pull right here around this, but this is the ceremony that's currently taking place. The Chief Minister just exited because of the kind of chaos there. Like I said, people here are really waiting to get a last glimpse of Puneeth even as he's buried. These are live visuals coming in, and we're bringing to you the exclusive shots right here on India Today, where Puneeth Rajkumar on his final journey being buried right at this spot. This is the Kantirva studio where the cremation is currently taking place, and it's helmed by Puneeth Rajkumar's family, his brother Shiv Rajkumar and Raghavendra Rajkumar. Both of them are currently present there. They're of course monitoring this entire puja, the ceremony that's taking place right here. Puneeth Rajkumar, remember, at the age of 46, such a young age, we've lost him. We're so shocked. We still can't fathom this loss, and even his fans extensively are all waiting outside in huge numbers only to get one glimpse, but unfortunately they're not allowed inside. It's only the family members and of course some selective media who've been allowed inside to get to get a glimpse of this state honours that Puneeth Rajkumar has received. Not everybody, and we know it, not everybody gets buried with state honours. Puneeth Rajkumar was one who immensely contributed to the state, and today he receives state honours even as he takes his final journey. These are the visuals, live visuals coming in of the burial, where the pit has been dug up, and this is exactly where he'll be placed for burial. His brother Shiv Rajkumar right there, family members who are overseeing this entire process. On this, I'm going to slip in a short break. We'll be right back covering the live visuals here from the Kantirva studio of Puneeth Rajkumar's cremation.